Go ahead, Mason.
Piggy, is there something on my head?
Yes, there is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head.
Now there are two birds. They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love.
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds, how do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest and laying eggs.
I do not want eggs on my head.
Then I have good news. The eggs are hatching. Now you have 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on your head.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
Try asking them to go somewhere else.
Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else?
No problem.
It worked. Thank you, Peggy. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.